right, so let's take a look at the way Jimmy Page plays Whole Lotta Love. And the reason why I say that is because most people just play one note and this right there. They just play one note. They'll do it like this, which is not wrong. It's still good. Okay, but the way Jimmy Page plays it is like this. So he bends this note by playing the 4th string at the same time and with an upstroke. So it goes down, up, okay? And you can clearly see this in the movie It Might Get Loud, because Jimmy Page plays it by himself in front of a couple of other guitar players, and you can clearly see what he's doing. And you can hear the 2 notes here. And you can see his bending his 1st finger like this. So you can clearly see it, you can clearly hear it. And also too, if you really listen to the album, you can hear it as well. So let's look at the way Jimmy Page plays it. So you slide, you're going to slide with your 3rd finger on string 6 up to fret 7, your B note, and then you hit that double note situation. This is going to be a downstroke, so it's a slide with a downstroke, and then he does an upstroke on strings 4 and 5. Okay, so he goes. So only slides on the 1st one, and then he just plays it without sliding, the B note without sliding on the 2nd time. So twice, and then the E chord, and he chugs on the low E. The E chord is just a power E with the root note on the 5th string, which I use my 1st finger, fret 7 on string 5, which is an E. And then I hold these 2 notes here on the 9th fret, strings 4 and 3. Strings 4 and 3. So what you do is, also too, on this particular power chord, I use my pinky. Some people use their 3rd finger. Some people play it like this, using their 3rd and their pinky. However you formulate that chord is fine. So once again, I'm going to play this whole thing slow. Watch. Okay, so really important to get that. That's the right way to play it. Once again, a lot of people play it with just 1 note. That's fine. It's still a good sound, but it's not the way Jimmy Page plays it. So once again. And that's how that's done. Stay tuned. I got a lot more electric videos coming up, as well as my beginner acoustic videos. I'll be shooting anywhere from 2 to 3 videos a week, so stay tuned, subscribe.